Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin at FC Tucker, jeffsells.com. Today we're on Bloomington's near West Side. It's a cool, charming, bohemian neighborhood, and this duplex is a rare opportunity. Let's take a look. So in this charming, bohemian part of town on the near West Side, we're close to 75 restaurants and shops on the square, 1/2 block to Kirkwood, and this 1920s space, we're in unit number 1. You'll notice there's original trim, wonderful old door frames. It has a living area, a 1-level space here for bedroom, full bath, beautiful original doors, and has a large kitchen. Kitchen has nice updates, perfectly shared patio space that we'll talk about in unit 2 that has the laundry that's shared between the 2 units. Each unit has its own dedicated kitchen and its own dedicated bath, and they're separate. But the units could be combined for one larger rental property. This home is well maintained. I love the fact that they've retained all the old doors and hardware, and they've done modern updates. This is unit number 2 in the duplex. It has a clever design. You have a living area, sleeping area. This unit, unit number 2, has a full stair that goes upstairs with bath and additional storage. And then you have a large kitchen, perfect for entertaining, access to the sun porch where there's a shared laundry. This charming bungalow has an equally charming backyard. It's very small and contained and very established. You have a storage unit behind, plus you have access from the back patio to this garden that wraps around the porch. You're only just moments and a half block from Kirkwood. It's a great opportunity to live in one side and have the other side as a lease or combined. This well-maintained and charming home is perfect as an investment or for owner-occupied. We're just 1 block to Rose Hill Co-op Grocery. We're near the Bloomingfoods Co-op. Beeline Trail is just up the street, as well as access to Indiana University and the Bloomingfoods Co-op Grocery. For more information, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com.